Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have an Hermes bag unboxing to share with you. This was a bit of an impulse buy on the Hermes website. So yeah, let's get right into it, and then I will kind of explain why I impulsively ordered this. Okay, so here we go. I'm a little nervous because like I said, it was a bit of an impulse buy. Okay, so these are just some instructions, I guess, for when I open it. Okay, that's the care booklet. I'm excited to see this style in person. I've seen it on display at the store, but never actually handled it. So here is the dust bag. To reveal, okay, so this is the mini gypsier, and it is in the color orange, so it's like the classic Hermes orange. Okay, so oh my gosh, okay, I do like the color. Sorry, the lighting is not great. Let me try opening. Actually, yeah, I can't do much about the lighting right now, but I'll try to sort of show you a little better here. Sorry, the lighting is not good, but okay, I like the color. Yeah, it's basically the classic orange. Like if you're looking at an Hermes bag or box, it is that color. And it's, like I said, it's the Gypsier Mini, the new size, and it is swift leather with palladium hardware. Oh my gosh, it's a really cute size. Okay, let's try to do this carefully just in case. I was not sure if I would keep it, but now that I'm seeing it, I really like it. Like I said, it was an impulse buy. This style was on my wish list. Okay, here is the inside. So it's a big compartment with one slip compartment. And let's see, so that we just close it like this. Set these in. I'm going to leave the plastic on for now. Want to close it up so you get the idea before I look at the strap. Okay, so that's how it looks. And then the strap it's swift leather, but the strap is a canvas strap, and it's adjustable. So you can make it shoulder length, I mean. You can make it crossbody, you can make it a longer shoulder. I do like that versatility. So let's see, yeah, so it just adjusts with this buckle, and there is no back pocket. And yeah, like I said, it's swift leather. And yeah, I think this color, that was the one thing, was I wasn't sure about the color. I knew at some point I would like an orange bag from Hermes just because it's such a classic Hermes color. And this orange is nice and subtle. Like, I was worried it would be too bright, but really it's the normal, Hermes orange color you see on their packaging. So it's actually quite subtle, and I think it'll look nice with fall colors. So actually I'm really happy with the color. I'm a lot happier with the color than I thought I'd be. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this. It is quite an expensive bag. For a non-quota bag, it's quite expensive, so I want to make sure that I'm 100% happy with it before I take off all the stickers and use it, because yeah, I want to make sure it's in pristine condition if I do decide to return it. But I don't know, let me know what you think. Do you like orange? Is that a color that you wear? Like, I'm thinking of my wardrobe, and I wear a lot of creams in the fall and beige and brown, so I think that it'll go well with that. I don't necessarily wear a lot of orange, but I wouldn't want to wear orange plus use an orange bag because that would be a lot of orange. So I don't know. Let me know if you have suggestions on colors to wear with this, and if you like orange. Yeah, it's a lot more muted than it looked in the photos online, so I'm very happy about that. Yeah, if you look at it next to the bag, it's the exact same color. And this style, I love crossbody bags, small crossbody bags, so this definitely was on my wish list. I never liked the larger Gypsy Air bags, but this size, when it came out, I was like, oh, that's perfect for me. So anyway, I'm gonna keep this short. Oh, I just wanted to show though, I also got a sample of the new fragrance, so I'll be curious to try that. This little card came with it, and then this is the sample, and I also received this as well with it. So that was nice. Okay, I am going to end it there. Please let me know your honest opinion. It's okay if you're not a fan. I know orange isn't, the most popular color, but I actually, when I opened it, I was pleasantly surprised. But yeah, I just want to make sure that, like I said, that I'm 100% sure, because this style is quite expensive. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again, and have a great day.